This 2024 Forest River Wildwood 3.6 VBDS Bunkhouse Sliding Doors Travel Trailer is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, skylight, smoke detector, awning, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Wildwood 3.6 VBDS Bunkhouse Sliding Doors Travel Trailer is 8,533 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.